Hey, folks, welcome to our next week here, starting tomorrow because it's Sunday evening now. So, the week of the 19th. For our LPR class, I'm just checking in with you, making sure you know where we are and what we're going to be doing. So, we're getting ready to start our rhetorical analysis essay, which I'll give you guys this week, which is where we're going to learn to write and practice writing the things we've been practicing in our reading. Looking at these pieces in terms of the rhetorical situation, the pathos, the ethos, etc., are used, and their choices a writer might makes when doing this for what persuasive purposes and what audience, etc., they're trying to impress. So we're going to turn this kind of thinking into writing, but we're going to start with looking at the Barbara Ehrenreich piece, "Serving in Florida," which I've got pulled up here. You should have this read for tomorrow. And it's a really good piece. And we're going to contrast it. We're going to sort of talk about how this contrasts with the piece from Booker T. Washington that we read last time. They're very different, obviously, really different era, whole different set of concerns, but in some ways there's a lot of overlap as well. So what might these two people say to each other across time if they could? So that's where going to be our focus, is looking at the Ehrenreich essay and looking at the getting ready for the rhetorical analysis essay. We're going to go to the AP Central site. I've actually linked one of the readings, one of the question twos from the AP language exam, which is really what we're basing the rhetorical analysis essay on. It's a version of the AP Lang question two. Anyhow, we'll look at one of those, how it works, and what good rhetorical analysis actually looks like. What are the elements? How do you write it and tie it together? And we'll work on that largely in class in the following week. But you'll have an assignment tied to that over the next week and weekend. So I hope you're doing well. But before all of that, I just saw my own notes. To most of this group, you have a vocab quiz. First thing, okay? Those are the words that you were not ready for last time. You have this first thing, so don't come in unprepared. If you do, they'll just have to take probably a poor grade on the quiz. So you don't want that. So get ready, vocab quiz first thing, and that should about do it. All right. So I will see you all soon. Some of you tomorrow morning, and some of you soon after. All right. Take care, folks, and have yourselves a good night. Bye-bye.